this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your FC mobile
EA
account
Sports.
from your
It's in the game.
Once open your FIFA football game, then you need to press on setting. Press on setting and scroll down, and you have to go account deletion. Press on it and make sure if you want to delete your account, your all game data and progress will be deleted. Delete your purchase item. I'm friend of all of your friend, so make sure you want to delete your account permanently. So press on continue and press on delete. Account delete successfully. Press on continue. Okay, and now your all data and all setting will be deleted. Now you can uninstall it from your iPhone also by removing apps. This is how you can easily delete and remove your FC mobile from